Meaning of Highland cattle.
Highland cattle.
Highland cattle.
Highland cattle.
Highland cattle. Highland cattle are a breed of cattle native to the Scottish Highlands and Western Isles. They are known for their distinctive long horns and shaggy coats, which provide insulation from the harsh Scottish climate. These cattle are relatively small in size, but are known for their strength, resilience, and adaptability. They are often used for conservation grazing, as they are able to thrive on rough terrain and are skilled at managing vegetation. Highland cattle are also valued for their lean, flavorful meat, which is low in fat and cholesterol.